Hey friends, you know I'm a big proponent of selling your house for top dollar. I thought I would give you a real live example of a house before it goes on the market. This house is 3,000 square feet. It is 4 bedroom, 3 bath. As is, we have two offers for cash. One's $450, one's $460. The main problem of the property is you can see the carpet is worn, the carpet's dated, the carpet is dirty, lots of stains. Kitchen's not bad. The problem is the market would probably list this house at $550. It would probably sell for $540, $545. But as is, we're getting bids at $450 and $460. So the difference on that, $90,000. So why would you sell it and leave $90,000 on the table? Because new flooring is going to be about $15,000. Paint throughout will probably be $10,000. So that's $25,000. So if the best bid we got was $475 and the cost to repair was $25,000, then that's $500,000, and we can sell it for $540. So why would you sell it for cash when you could fix it up and sell it? Well, the answer is easy. You don't have the $15,000, $25,000 to fix the house. So you're just going to have to sell it for as is because you can't fix it. We have a program that helps you get the equity, do the concierge, do the work on the house, and then pay the contractors when we close. So that $25,000 worth of work that gets done on the house gets collected at closing when we sell your house for $540. So why wouldn't you do that?